Nowadays, we have all realized that our prosperity corresponds to the environmental protection. It is no coincidence that the wealthy societies are the ones that are both willing and able to devote substantial resources to environmental protection, especially in the field of waste treatment. To date, we have reached million tons of waste due to our everyday activities in households that have changed a lot in comparison in the early 20s, when waste production was in very low levels. It is no coincidence that the wealthy societies are the ones that are both willing and able to devote substantial resources to environmental protection, especially in the field of waste treatment. The need of integrated management led to the creation of regional associations for the waste management. In fact, this is in accordance to the goals of the National Solid Waste Management Plan and the principles of circular economy. Central Macedonia is once again leading regarding the procedures of mergers. Regional Association of Solid Waste Management Agencies of Central Macedonia became the first scientific and logistical operation association by the merger of 14 former ones in Central Macedonia. Raising public awareness on environmental issues is our priority too. We run educational programs regarding the protection of the environment. These programs are designed to educate young people about how waste and recycling impact on the environment and how they can reduce their waste at home and at school. The rehabilitation of former landfills is also a great part of the actions taken by the association. In the region of Thessaloniki, 3 former dump sites have already been transformed into green spaces for the whole community to enjoy. These environmental parks in Thermi, Derveni and Tagarades are open to public as recreation areas. The educational programs are presented in the specially equipped classrooms there, and a great part of students visit the parks every year. A wastewater treatment plant operates in Tagarades in eastern Thessaloniki that converts wastewater into an effluent that can be returned to the water cycle with minimal impact on the environment or directly reused at the environmental park. At the same place, electric power is produced by the exploitation of landfill gas produced during the anaerobic decomposition of the organic fraction contained in solid wastes disposed at the former sanitary landfill of Tagarades. The power plant can provide electricity to light up a whole city and teleheating on a distance of 2.5 kilometers. This plant is regarded as one of the best 100 in Europe. There is also a sorting center in Tagarades collecting a part of Thessaloniki's recyclable materials. That reduces the need of landfilling and yields profit from the materials recovery. The final phase of waste treatment still remains a great challenge for us, as the procedure of landfilling needs sufficient land for the growing amount of solid waste generated in urban centers. Sanitary landfill site of Mavrorachi in Thessaloniki is a typical example, as it is the only operating site in the region of Thessaloniki. It was constructed to accept the municipal solid waste of Thessaloniki for the first 2 years, and afterwards only 60% of them. Another major factor to improve the efficiency of the municipality's waste collection services is the operation of the waste transfer stations in the pre-treatment procedures. Transfer stations are used only for temporarily disposal of waste prior to transporting to the end point of disposal in the landfill. The development of the new waste transfer station at FKP Thessaloniki has also improved the efficiency of the municipality's waste collection services across this area. It has reduced waste collection vehicle movements by 60% and reduced their carbon footprint, having to travel directly to the Mavrorachi sanitary landfill site. Final disposal of waste in sanitary landfills is considered the least preferred option, which should be applied only where recovery is not undertaken. Waste minimization hierarchy of avoid, reduce, reuse, recycle as well as pay-as-you-throw policy are implemented towards this direction. The association is at the forefront of innovation in delivering sustainable waste management systems to the citizens and visitors of Central Macedonia for meeting the needs of the present as well as the future. In collaboration with the 38 municipalities of Central Macedonia, taking advantage of the European capabilities, we have the chance to improve our everyday life and protect our environment for the next generations.